Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Landscape Painting and the course code is 4135. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today in the lecture number 26, I will discuss about impasto landscape painting. This is a practical topic. First of all, what is impasto painting technique? Impasto is a technique used in painting where paint is let on an area of the surface in very thick layers, usually thick enough that the brush or painting knife strokes are visible. Paint can also be mixed right on the canvas. When dry, impasto provides texture. The paint appears to be coming out of the canvas. What kind of paint do you use for impasto? Traditionally, oil paint is the medium used for impasto painting due to its thick consistency and slow drying time. But acrylic can also be used if heavy body acrylic gels are added. What sport do you use for impasto painting? Linen canvases are preferable, flexible and strong. They don't sag when loaded with thick paint. Yet, wooden panels can also be rewarding. They have a thick tooth, yet a smoothness that means the paint slides across it. How do you apply the paint? Usually, the painting should move from the general, large, flat, thinly painted areas to the particular, small, complicated impasto details. Use a large scenery paint brush, palette, knife, or edge of a sheet of card to sweep in the background. Mix the paint on your palette. Pick up the amount you need on your palette knife and firmly make a mark. You can blend the edges of these big impasto patches with a small watercolor brush or stipple it in with a small, flat, firm bristled brush. Here are some examples of impasto painting. You can see how the thick layer of paint Another example of impasto landscape painting. Use of thick layer of paint. bold strokes. You can also see the knife strokes are visible in this painting. Another example, you can see a very thick layers of paint. Strokes are visible. Another example, you can see thick layer of paint, Impasto landscape painting. Strokes are also visible. Artists use palette knife. Dear students, I am giving you the home task to make a landscape painting in Impasto technique. Thanks.